Hey guys, it's Anna here. We're back with another Thinkware U3000 giveaway. We want to thank everyone who entered our last giveaway and the winner, Christopher from New York, who won the Thinkware U3000 for his family, and our second place winner, Rylan from West Vancouver, who took home a the Oppo A129 Pro. Congratulations, guys! So this time we've teamed up with Ariel from Vortex Radar for another epic summer giveaway. That's right, starting August 8th to the 27th, you can head over to bbmc.io/vortex to enter. The more entries you complete, the higher your chances. It's super simple. All you gotta do is click follow and subscribe to our channels on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and more. And you'll bag this dash cam worth over $550. All the instructions you need are in the description below. It's literally that easy. Let's close out this summer with a bang. Start your engines, let's race towards that prize. Winner will be announced on Monday, August 28th. Good luck!